The Chevy Tahoe's infotainment system can sometimes freeze or become unresponsive. Resetting it is often the first and easiest solution. There are three main types of resets: a soft reboot, a hard reset, and a factory reset. A soft reboot is a quick restart to clear temporary glitches. A hard reset is a deeper reset, clearing cache and often fixing frozen screens. A factory reset restores the system to its original state, erasing all personal data, and should be used as a last resort. Knowing which reset to use and when is key to resolving common infotainment issues in your Tahoe. Newer Tahoes 2021 Plus receive over-the-air updates via the My Chevrolet app to address common bugs, but older models may still require manual resets. For a soft reboot on most Tahoe models, simply press and hold the power button on the touchscreen for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. For a hard reset on 2015-2019 models, hold the home and fast-forward buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. On 2020 and newer models, navigate to the Settings menu and select Reset Vehicle Settings. For a factory reset, go to Settings, System, Factory Reset. You'll need to enter a PIN, which is usually 0000, or the last four digits of your VIN. Remember, a factory reset will erase all your personal data, so back up important information beforehand. Always perform these resets while the vehicle is in park to avoid any safety hazards.